Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix undetected RAM. First, always ensure your computer is completely powered off and unplugged from its power source. Next, carefully open your computer case to gain access to the internal components. Before touching anything inside, remember to ground yourself. This simple step prevents electrostatic discharge, which can damage sensitive parts. Taking these initial precautions is crucial for a safe and effective troubleshooting process. Once inside, locate the memory slots on your motherboard, usually positioned near the central processing unit. You will see small latches on both ends of each RAM stick. Gently unclip these latches to release the module. Carefully remove each RAM stick from its slot. Then, firmly reinsert each module, ensuring it seats correctly until the latches click back into place. This confirms a secure connection. To pinpoint the issue, test each RAM module individually. If you have multiple sticks, try inserting just one into a known working slot. If your motherboard has several memory slots, try using different ones to rule out a faulty slot. While doing this, carefully inspect both the RAM sticks and the slots for any visible signs of damage, bent pins, or accumulated debris. This helps isolate the problem. Sometimes, dirty contacts can prevent proper detection. Use a soft, dry cloth or a can of compressed air to gently clean the gold contacts on your RAM modules. Ensure all internal cables, especially power connectors to the motherboard, are securely connected. Once everything is reassembled, power on your computer. Check your system's BIOS or operating system to see if the RAM is now fully detected and recognized. This should resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.